So yesterday we were talking about everything that's going on in the Tampa Bay real estate market and how it's crazy amounts of activity that's going on now. Now let's say you're in real estate. What does this matter to you? Other than having this knowledge it is that you could tell people, but this is a great piece of information, a great piece of news to use in your farming strategies. Hey, Tampa was just named the #1 place to live in Florida. Now would be a great time to sell your property that's in Tampa. You get the idea here that this type of news, these type of headlines, these are things that people like to see. Even if they're not thinking about selling, they're seeing this and maybe they think of somebody that they know that's thinking of selling, and now guess who's getting a referral? Guess who is going to be getting business because you're capitalizing on what's current and what's going on. So take these news stories that go on, whether it's Tampa Bay being the #1 place to live or the #1 housing market in the country, or maybe some job that's moving to an area, some sort of company that's moving to the Tampa Bay area. Anything like that is great information to share with people who are homeowners that might be thinking of selling their property and trading up to something bigger, maybe something smaller, maybe they're just looking for a change of scenery.